Kakanhon Menteri Kabalaya Kendo hakas ni thoding jong katayo kala ay kajing menjur ban kyntiew no nakasan spa Klur tengka syakashi hajar Klur tengka iaka Contingency Fund ne kajing bo pisalapa ban yok ban pendankam hakano kanu kakem bat kala menjuru yaka kerteng jong kilangut ki ban yok pedang yaka khusnam utirat sings em ukyang nang ba bat pa togan sangma
Menteri Rangba Gejala Meghalaya Konrad Kongkal Sangma habaya keran bat kinong pathai kubor. Hadim belawai kejingelang jangka kenhun menteri ula pente bag sorkar jela kala ajing menjur yaka Contingency Fund of Meghalaya Amendment Ordinance arajar arpusau. Hagaban kyntiew kejing bahat tengka nakasan spa Klur syakashi hajar Klur tengka. Ulong bagladan katuk aniki kendon haka budgetary provisions bat haba keleplut no kepisa ke belamang bat kat ba ompat menjur yaka supplementary demand hapok yang dorbar tawan kejela omlak ben pendon kami kepisa ke beladan lupa. Kumtal ada yo ben ajeng menjur ki supplementary demand hapok yang dorbar la ben pendon kami ki kendon jangka contingency fund.
Decision that was made was regarding the increase in the contingency fund of Meghalaya. Amendment, this ordinance has been brought in of 2024, and basically this is a temporary measure. So the contingency fund for Contingency Fund of Meghalaya Amendment Ordinance 2024 will increase the contingency fund from 500 crores to 1,000 crores. Just so that people will understand what this technically means. As you're aware, this contingency fund is basically there because certain provisions that are there in the budgetary provisions, when they get exhausted, until unless we don't pass a supplementary demand in the assembly, then we are not able to utilize the funds or the money. Even if we have the money, we cannot utilize it until unless supplementary demands are done. So hence, in the situation where supplementary demands cannot be passed in the assembly, contingency fund provisions are used. So this is basically a provision of increasing it from 500 to 1,000 crores because we are receiving additional funds from Government of India, and our overall revenue and other aspects of funds from center have gone up, and hence we are in a position where we'll be getting additional funds for some more development work. But the provision within the budgetary provisions are not enough to use that fund. So hence the provisions are being enhanced so that we are in a position to utilize the funds that are going to come from center. The last and a very important decision today has been taken, and I'm very, very happy to announce to all of you that the official state anthem has been approved by the state cabinet today. And I am thankful to the Art and Culture Department and all the individuals who are involved, who have been involved in creating the state anthem. I would like to thank them for all the efforts that have been put in, including the lyrics that were written, including the tune that was made. Many people have been involved in it, and I'll be mentioning all of that tomorrow when we'll be having the Meghalaya Day program in Tura, and I will be officially launching the state anthem tomorrow. And this is indeed a very, very happy and a very proud moment for us because the state has been without a state anthem for the last 52 years. So that was the most important decision, I should say, that was made today.
Nalor kania ulongru bahakasngi barakhe ya ka Meghalaya Day. Hatura an saplat patba ya ka state anthem ba nakaliang jangka kanhun menteri kala ajing menjor ya ka ka state anthem. Konrad Kongkal Sangma ulong bagajela Meghalaya kanyo ela ka state anthem hadian sanpu arsnem ba kalayo ela ka jela ka bapura. Menteri Rangba kejela ulaya tu baga kanhun menteri kala menjeru ya ki kerteng jangki breu ke banyo ya ka khusna Meghalaya Day Award ke bakentup ya ka Tirat Singh Award ka Patogan and Sangma Award bat ka Kyang Nangba Award bat ya ka kerteng jangini an sepen menapat ba hakasngi barakhe ka Meghalaya Day. Kekanun Menteri Kalarai ban penduk no ya ke Meghalaya Task Force Act syajar kendai sepak nyusau bagi jingsi Meghalaya ban pendam no ya ke Meghalaya Task Force Act syajar kendai sepak nyusau kolong hadian ka jingkela kapor pada kene ke act ansara hapok ke yeng dorbar tawan jong kejela.
And as you know that these names are announced every year on Meghalaya Day, and so this the recommendations that have been cleared by the cabinet today will be announced on the Meghalaya Day celebration. And so I cannot give the names to you, but I'm just informing you that the recommendations today have been approved, and the names for the 3 categories for the Meghalaya Day Awards has been finalized today by the Cabinet.